How to adjust uneven Samsung refrigerator doors due to leveling issues. If your refrigerator doors appear uneven, the issue is usually caused by incorrect leveling. There are two common cases: horizontal leveling and vertical gap adjustment. Horizontal leveling. If one door is higher than the other, this indicates horizontal leveling issue. Let's address this issue with a few simple adjustments. Step 1. Check the leg position. Check the leveling legs at the bottom. They should not fully touch the floor at the start. Step 2. Adjust the freezer side. Adjust the leveling leg on the lower side to raise the door height. Insert a flathead screwdriver into the slot of the leveling leg at the bottom rear of the freezer door. Turn it in the direction of the arrow to level the door. Insert a flathead screwdriver into the slot of the leveling leg at the bottom rear of the fridge door. Turn it in the direction of the arrow to level the door. Step 3. Adjust leg to floor level. Unscrew the leg. Once level is correct, tighten lock nut on the leg upwards. Step 4. Recheck the door alignment. A difference of less than 2 millimeters is acceptable. Please note, the refrigerator should be slightly tilted backwards to help the doors close properly. Vertical gap issue. If the door heights are aligned, but the gap is uneven, this is a vertical alignment issue. Let's address this issue with a few simple adjustments. Step 1. Remove the hinge cover. Use a crosshead screwdriver to remove the screw, then remove the hinge cover on top of the refrigerator door. Step 2. Remove the clamp. Gently lift the clamp and then pull the clamp to remove. Please note, to prevent damage to the clamp or injuries, do not lift the clamp forcefully. Step 3. Adjust the gap direction. Use a 4 mm hex key to turn the adjustment screw. Turn it clockwise to widen the gap, or turn it counterclockwise to reduce the gap. Step 4. Reassemble. After adjusting the gap, reassemble the clamp and hinge cover. Proper leveling ensures smooth door operation and helps maintain cooling performance.